I attended courses before at Investment Mastery. I really liked them and I thought I could learn so much more about crypto trading.
I think really the best thing is my progress, the fact that I've placed some trades now.
I learned a lot about trading also from Marcus, but the confidence. Confidence is most important.
I think it's life-changing. It just exceeds all my expectations from every point, from any aspect.
You get so many information in such a short time. Just today everything was packed full with information.
It's just been a fabulous way to really enhance my knowledge about the crypto ecosystem, quickly.
It's like a holiday where you start learning how to earn money. It's the best thing ever. I would do it again and again and again.
So to come to action is really needed to have confidence, and that's what I gained here this week.
Part of this is crypto, part of it is personal development.
The best thing about the retreat is, in this case, an absolutely one-to-one support, absolutely close connection, and really learning from each other. And of course, learning from the trainers, but small group.
It's a really great environment for learning. It's relaxed, we learn a lot, and of course I made some very good trades over the last couple of days. I made 15% over the last 3 days, so that was amazing.
And I want to take the opportunity to thank here Marcos and Marika for creating this retreat, for having us here, and of course I want to thank myself